guys, welcome to Tool Specs. Today we're going to compare those two leaf blower here. Both of them are from the 40 volt series. So I get this first one here with the jet blower. It sucks his air from the back, pushed it all concentrate on this tube here towards the front. This is the 40 volt version. There is the turbo button on it. This model here is the RY404011. This one I actually push 550 CFM and at 125 miles per hour. It's retailing for 258 Canadian for a tool only. Now we have this other one here, which has also a 40 volt series one. This one is model RY40403. It has a dual fan blade in there. This one actually push a little bit less CFM. It's a 480 CFM at 110 miles an hour out of the blower here. There is also the turbo button here. Both tool here, you can adjust how much flow you're putting by pressing as hard as you want on the trigger, so you can make it start slower and go harder. Let's hear the first one for the noise. And with the turbo. Second one for the noise. And then with the turbo. So you can tell why this retail a little bit more. This is actually the Whisper series here, so it's almost well, about $100 Canadian more for this one, but it's really more quiet than the other blower, and then the air flow more directly into it too, compared to this model here where the air enter on the side in those groove here, a little bit at the back too. That's more to cool down the motor, but most of the air will enter in those ports around it and then flow in and then get redirect. So the air actually have to change angle as it goes in here. So this is why you're losing, even though both of those model are 40 volt, this is why you're losing a little bit of CFM and miles per hour. Now the CFM difference, it's about 70 CFM more with the Whisper series and 15 miles per hour more with the Whisper series. But this one you're saving $100. So now the real test is like, how do they go about moving the leaf around in your yard, right? So we're gonna test that right now. Okay, if we're comparing both blower here, there's some advantage and disadvantage for both of them. So okay, so one of the good thing is this one here is way cheaper, like we mentioned earlier, but the other advantage is it takes his air from the side and a little bit from the back, right? So now if you have the blower against your body like this as you're going down and blowing the leaf around or grass clipping or whatever, this is enough spread out through the unit that they won't try to suck in your clothes. While this one here, all of the air, it's more powerful because it's more direct airflow, but the airflow all comes from the back here. So now if you have the blower like this on the side, it's not bad, but if you're holding it a little bit in front of you, then what's gonna happen is all of your clothes get sucked into it. Now it doesn't do it hard, so you know you can still move it, but it could be annoying, like when you're going like from side to side like this to blow some leaf, especially if you're wearing loose clothing or something like that. The other big difference in between those two is this one here, the handle cannot adjust, while this one here, I got the review video about just the blower itself, but in that review video I show you that you can loose up that wing nut here, and then the whole handle can be adjusted so that when you're holding it you can already have it pointed down a little bit, so it's easier to carry around and blow your leaf around. Other than that, like the other difference is this one is way more quiet than this one, and it's a little bit more powerful because it's direct airflow. Both blower are good. It's gonna depend on your budget and if any of those functions that I mentioned or feature that I mentioned matters to you in between both of them. So hopefully you like the video. I keep doing lots of video for you guys to be able to make up your mind yourself, seeing the tool in action, comparing feature, comparing tools. So subscribe if you don't want to miss anything. This winter, now we're in the fall, this winter I'm gonna review some snow blower and snow shovel. So subscribe and we'll see you in the next video.